Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to write a creative story with ChatGPT and OpenArt AI. So by the end of this video, you will see how text and the AI images work together to create a complete story. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. In our first step, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for chatgpt.com. So once you are here on this page, you need to give it a prompt like I gave it. Write a short fantasy story about a young girl who discovers a hidden door in the forest. Once I've done that, you need to simply hit enter. Once ChatGPT gives you the output, you need to break the story into scenes. So you can split this particular story into 2 to 3 key moments you would like to illustrate. For example, if you see the door in the whispering woods, so this can be our scene. So now once you have it, you need to open your openart.ai account. If you don't have an account, you need to basically just create one. Over here in the left hand section, you will see the option of story. So click on the option of story, then select what you want to create, like in the form of log, video, or build story. You can also use their image features in order to generate the scenes. So let's say if we go to the create image section, you need to first of all select the model or the character. So here you will see a bunch of different characters that you can choose from this list. So let's say I want this type of character. So after selecting the model, you need to give the prompt here. So scene by scene, you can add your prompt, then click on the option of create in the bottom. It is going to be taking some time and shows you the results. If you like the results, you need to simply download the image and you need to keep on doing this until your story has all the scenery and all the images completed. So once you have them, you can use any editing software like Filmora or CapCut in order to add those, and you can extract it in the form of video, or you can even use it for the illustrated ebooks. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.